Today we're making fabric covered Easter eggs. We need plastic Easter eggs, we need fabric scraps, mine are about 1/2 inch wide, and we need some Mod Podge. Our first step is to take the Mod Podge and put it on one section of the egg. You want to apply it pretty liberally. Now on this plastic Easter egg, I put a little dot of glue earlier in the where the egg opens, and then I closed it so that it stays solid. You don't want that shifting while you're putting the strips on. Go ahead and grab one of your strips. You can start at the top of the egg or bottom of the egg. I usually start at the bottom. And go ahead and put that over your Mod Podge section. You may have to pull on the fabric a little bit. You may have to smooth it down a little bit. Sometimes, depending on how wide it is, it kind of puckers a little bit. So just smooth it with your fingers. If it comes through the fabric to the outside, it's okay because we're going to actually cover it with Mod Podge when we're done anyway. So if you find some of it sneaking through the fabric, don't worry about it. Right now your hands aren't going to get too messy as you're doing this, but as you get farther along in the process, it's inevitable your hands are going to get Mod Podged. I could go ahead and wrap that around, but I think I'll go ahead and cut that off. And then I'll start another strip. Once I get that, I need to get that tacked down a little bit better. I'll start another strip on another section. So I'll go ahead and, when I'm sure that's good, I think we're good there. Let's go ahead and get that side covered. And let's get a strip on that side when we have that pretty well covered. And fast forward, and here we go. I'm down to the end. Just got a couple little spots left to cover. Get that clipped, and then I need to go ahead and cover this completely. My hands are going to get pretty darn messy now. So as you put your Mod Podge on, you might get some buckling of your fabric or some folds like I just did. Just pick at it and straighten it up and press it down. It's pretty forgiving. And then go ahead and completely cover your egg with it. And then we need to let that dry, preferably overnight. And then we're good to go. Fabric covered Easter eggs from some plain old plastic ones.